You just nailed the perfect pan-sear on a beautiful, expensive cut of steak. Or maybe you are frying up a massive batch of crispy Sunday morning bacon. The food looks absolutely amazing, but suddenly a thick cloud of greasy smoke hits the ceiling. The smoke detector down the hallway starts screaming, and your entire living room smells like fried oil and onions for the next 3 days. We have all frantically grabbed a kitchen towel and started waving it at the alarm while opening every window in the house. This is exactly why almost every modern kitchen is equipped with a large metal canopy hanging right over the stove. You reach up, press a button, and a loud motor starts humming. But if you have ever looked underneath one of these range hoods, you might have felt a little bit skeptical. Where exactly is all that heavy smoke, microscopic grease, and boiling steam actually going? And if you live in an apartment where the hood does not even connect to an outside pipe, is that noisy fan actually cleaning the air, or is it just blowing the smoke right back into your face? We rely on these machines to keep our kitchen cabinets from getting coated in a disgusting sticky layer of yellow grease. But very few of us understand the mechanics hiding behind those metal grates. Today, let us look inside the metal canopy, break down exactly how a kitchen range hood works, step by step, and discover the simple physics keeping your home smelling fresh. The journey of keeping your kitchen clean begins before the machine even turns on, and it all starts with the physical shape of the hood itself. If you look at a professional range hood, you will notice it acts exactly like a giant upside-down funnel. When you boil a pot of pasta or fry a piece of chicken, the intense heat causes the steam and oily smoke to rapidly expand and rise straight up toward the ceiling. The wide, flared canopy of the range hood is specifically designed to act as a physical trap, capturing that rapidly expanding plume of hot, dirty air before it has the chance to drift away into the rest of your house. This capture area is crucial, which is exactly why a hood that is physically wider than your stove will always work vastly better than a tiny, narrow one. Once that hot, greasy air is trapped inside the funnel, it is time for the mechanical muscle to take over. Hidden deep inside the upper section of the hood is a powerful electric blower motor. When you turn the fan on, this motor spins a centrifugal wheel covered in angled blades. As the wheel spins at incredibly high speeds, it forcefully pulls the air up and away from the stove, creating a zone of negative pressure directly underneath the hood. This negative pressure acts like a powerful vacuum, aggressively sucking the trapped smoke, steam, and odors up into the belly of the machine. The strength of this vacuum is measured in a term you will see on every single box called CFM, which stands for cubic feet per minute. Simply put, this measures exactly how much physical air the fan can swallow and move in 60 seconds. A higher number means a stronger pull, which is vital if you love doing high-heat cooking like searing or wok frying. But before that dirty air is allowed to travel any further inside the machine, it has to pass through the absolute most important component of the entire system, the grease filters. If the hood just sucked up oily smoke and blew it directly into the internal pipes, the inside of the machine and the walls of your house would quickly become coated in a highly flammable layer of liquid grease, creating a massive fire hazard. To stop this, the air is forced through a metal barrier. Most residential hoods use either a mesh filter or a baffle filter. A mesh filter looks like a piece of thick woven aluminum window screen. As the greasy air is sucked through the tiny holes in the mesh, the microscopic droplets of hot oil crash into the layers of metal wire. Because the metal is much cooler than the hot cooking grease, the oil instantly condenses, turning from an airborne mist back into a sticky liquid that stays safely trapped in the mesh. High-end and commercial range hoods use something even more clever called a baffle filter. Instead of a mesh screen, a baffle filter is made of interlocking solid stainless steel slats that force the air to change direction rapidly in a tight zigzag pattern. Air is a gas, so it can easily bend and twist through this metal maze, but grease is a heavy liquid. When the air violently changes direction inside the filter, the heavy grease droplets simply cannot make the sharp turn. Because of pure momentum and centrifugal force, the oil droplets slam directly into the solid steel walls of the filter and slide safely down into a hidden catch tray. This brilliant use of physics completely separates the heavy grease from the air without restricting the airflow, keeping the internal motor completely clean and safe from fire. Now that the air has been completely stripped of its heavy grease, it has to go somewhere. This is where range hoods split into two completely different categories: ducted and ductless. A ducted hood is the ultimate, most effective setup. The blower fan pushes the filtered air into a large metal pipe hidden inside your wall or ceiling. This pipe travels completely out of your house, dumping the odors, the heat, and the excess moisture safely into the outside atmosphere. But what if you live in an apartment where drilling a giant hole through the wall is impossible? That is where a ductless or recirculating hood comes in. Because a ductless hood cannot push the air outside, it has to clean the air and blow it back into your kitchen. After the air passes through the metal grease filters, it is forced through a second thick layer of activated charcoal. This charcoal acts like a microscopic chemical sponge, absorbing the lingering smoke and heavy cooking odors. Once the smells are trapped in the carbon, the fan blows the scrubbed air out through vents at the top of the hood and right back into the room. While a ductless hood cannot remove heat or moisture from your kitchen, that charcoal filter is the absolute secret to stopping your apartment from smelling like last night's dinner. Ultimately, whether it is pushing air through the roof or scrubbing it with charcoal, your range hood is an incredibly hard-working guardian protecting your home's air quality, but it can only protect you if you let it breathe. If you never take those metal filters out and wash them in the sink or dishwasher, they will become completely clogged with solid grease, choking the motor and rendering the entire machine useless. Understanding how this simple funnel, powerful vacuum, and physical filtration system works is the key to maintaining a clean, fresh, and perfectly safe kitchen. If this explanation helped you finally understand your appliances and made you realize it is probably time to clean your filters, hit that subscribe button, give this video a quick thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling me the absolute messiest meal you love to cook on your stove. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.